I have this TP-Link router. The model is TL-WR840N 300 wireless N router. Can support up to 100 Mbps. There is a 4-in-1 mode. There is a router mode, access point mode, range extender mode, and WISP mode is available. And there is a 4 LAN port and 1 WAN port is available. And LAN port, you can connect any devices like your desktop, your laptop, TV. If there is no wireless connection, that you can use with a wire. And if your speed is more than 100 Mbps, like 150 Mbps, I can suggest to you better that you can get a better router which can support up to 500 Mbps or less than 500, like your speed. If your speed is 150 Mbps, I cannot suggest to you that you can use this device. So this device you can use with wire and without wire. Like if you know have the connection, if you know have the wireless signal or less signal is there, and you want to extend your wireless signal, you can use this as a range extender. Or if there is a no signal and you want to use with this device with your main router, or you can use as a access point. Or if you want to use this device with your ISP, you can use as a router mode. So this is very best device that which is available 4-in-1 mode. Like anything you can connect with this device, so you can get less than 100 Mbps speed, not more than. So I'm going to tell you how to configure with this router through your ISP connection. So let's start it. First we have to just power on, and then connect the ISP cable which is coming from your ISP line. We have to connect with this TP-Link router WAN port, which is blue one, and then another cable we can connect with any of the LAN port for configuration. It's not mean that you have to connect with the wire. If your laptop or mobile, even you can do the configuration through mobile also, but I can suggest you better that if you connect with the laptop, that is very easy for you. And after that, now the cable is connected, so we want to know that what is the IP for this router, that we can open it. It's very simple. You can see back of the device there is a written also TP-Link Wi-Fi.net. If you don't want it, then you can see here line the cable connection. You can use it, right click and go to property, network and sharing center. After network and sharing center, you will see here local area. When you click a local area, you can see the details. When you see the details, you will see the IP address. IPv4 default gateway is 192.168.0.1. so we have to close it again and open the browser. After open the browser, we have to type the same IP like what we see it, 192.168.0.1. Sorry, because we have did the setup before, so I am just going to reset it. So I'm just going to system tool. After system tool, factory default reset, restore, and then I'm going to restore it. Yes, all the setting will be gone. So these things you have to apply also, that if you want to reset, you can reset through the interface also, and either you have to see there is a WPS and reset button also, that you can press it and then you can reset the device also. So after resetting, you can see there is a first page is open, create a login. So we have to create the password for login administrator. Please remember it, don't forget the login password. That if you forget the login password, then you need to reset this device and then do some changing. Like if you want to change wireless network name and password or something, you have to reset and then configure. So this first page is open, that we can make it next. Here you can see the quick setup operation mode. There is a wireless router mode, WISP, access point and range extender. because right now we are connected with ISP, so we have to select a router, wireless router mode. Then here is connection type. Connection type is dynamic, static, Pppoe, L2TP and PPTP. Our connection is a Pppoe. If your connection is a static IP, then you need to get these all information: IP, subnet mask, default gateway, primary DNS and secondary DNS from your ISP. If your connection is dynamic, then you no need any kind of configuration. Just plug and play, like change the wireless network name and password and finish it. And Pppoe connection is like you have your username and password. If without username and password you cannot use internet. If you don't have username and password, please contact to your ISP and get the username and password and then do the configuration. Here the second page is for quick setup wireless. So the wireless network name we want to keep it the TP link, and password we are not changing, keeping the same one. But if you want, you can change it also. And there is more advanced setting. More advanced setting, sometimes your device is unable to connect it, or your coverage is not the better, and you have a speed issue something. So you can see more setting, and there is a channel. You have to change the channel frequency from here 6, 9 or 11. These are the 3 channels that you can use any of them. So I'm using 11 and then press the next button and then save it. After save it, my configuration is done. And then before you can, after configuration, I can use it with the internet. See my, if, because right now I don't have internet, so I'm thinking that my username and password is incorrect, so I'm just using again Pppoe, and now you can see ISP. So in static page you can see here the IP address. There is one more setting that if after configuration, if you want to do some changing, so you can change here also. Wireless network name and password you can change also. Go to the wireless setting and you can change wireless network name, channel frequency if you want to change from here. And there is more mode available. Guest mode is available, that if you want to create a guest network you can create it. And if you want to see your client list, that how many clients are using, you can go to the here and you can see the clients list also. And there is a system tools, and if you want to change your administrator username and password, you can change it also from here. If you want to upgrade the device, you can upgrade it from here also. All the setting, if you have like MAC filtering also, you can do MAC filtering from here also. All the setting you have to open in this browser, and in interface you can do the setting. All the information here. It's a LAN. If you want to change a LAN IP address, you can change it from here. So port forwarding also here available, that you can do the port forwarding also. So this is the setting for this TL-WR840N. Hope all you like my videos. Please subscribe my channel, like my video and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.